Welcome to 50 Sutton Place South.
Right on the East River. Hidden away in this tranquil cul-de-sac is the historical secret of Sutton Place South, often referred to as Little London. This is where residents are greeted by serene views while watching the boats go by from miles of riverfront park benches, bike trails, picnic spots, and more.
This is more than an oasis. This is a lifestyle of calm, surrounded by beautiful nature.
Let's take a tour of Residence 16D at 50 Sutton Place South. This white glove cooperative has 24-hour doorman, a windowed renovated fitness room, 5 automated elevators, and an elevator operator too.
Welcome to 16D at 50 Sutton Place South. This high-floor, oversized junior floor was built in 1956, when the rooms and closet space are larger than many. You have 6 closets, 2 of which are walk-in, and a wall of entry closets when you first enter the home.
This 21-foot bedroom is bigger than most living rooms.
For sure. And the 22 by 13 living room has hardwood parquet floors and is facing the street towards Sutton Place South and over the tennis courts too. There's even a large 10 by 8 dining L, big enough to host the holidays at your place.
There's a double entry kitchen that has a brand new stainless GE 5-burner stove with center griddle.
And everything feels very streamlined with matching cabinets and counters.
There's a powder room off the entry for guests, and the primary bathroom has a wonderful soaking tub, pedestal sink, and matching Kohler toilet. Just minutes away from Rockefeller Center, Radio City Music Hall, Grand Central, Broadway shows, Bergdorf's, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods. Andrew, it's not the High Line, but did you know there's a new $100 million green space project in the works?
Yeah, I heard that they are building a pedestrian bridge that will allow you to walk over the East River. If there was ever a time to live at Sutton Place.
More importantly, invest in Sutton Place. Now is the time. If you'd like to see 16D at 50 Sutton Place South,
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.